In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open link in Telegram. If you've ever come across a Telegram link often starting with t.me or telegram.me in an email, a web page, or another app. The good news is T here is nothing complicated about it. Telegram links are designed to hand off smoothly from your browser or the app you are in straight to Telegram so you land exactly where you need to be. Whether that's a chat, a channel, a bot, or a profile. The process is simple. When you see the link, click or tap it. Your device or browser will recognize it's a Telegram link and prompt you to open the Telegram app. Go ahead and confirm. That prompt is normal. It's there to make sure you really meant to switch apps. Once you approve, Telegram opens and takes you directly to the destination the link points to. On mobile, this usually feels seamless. On most iPhone and Android devices, Telegram catches the link right away and jumps straight into the app with no extra steps. If you do see a small banner or pop-up that says something like Open in Telegram, just tap it. Sometimes your phone may ask whether to use Telegram this time or always. Choose the option you prefer. If Telegram isn't installed yet, your device may send you to your App Store to get it first. After installing and signing in, returning to the link will complete the handoff automatically. On desktop, you have two convenient paths. If you use the Telegram desktop app on Windows, macOS, or Linux, clicking the link in your browser will usually trigger a dialog that asks to open Telegram. Click Open Telegram, and you'll be switched to the desktop app right at the correct chat or channel. If you don't have the desktop app or prefer the browser, you can use Telegram Web. When a Telegram link opens in your browser, you may see an option to continue in the web version. Choosing that takes you to web.telegram.org and opens the same destination inside your logged-in web session. If the system doesn't show a pop-up, check that pop-ups are allowed in your browser and that Telegram desktop is installed and up to date. For private groups or channels, be sure you are signed in to the right Telegram account so the link can load properly. That's really all there is to it. Click the Telegram link, confirm the prompt, and let your device route you into Telegram. On mobile, it often opens instantly, and on desktop you can pick between the desktop app or Telegram Web, whichever fits your setup. Thanks for watching.